What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a crazy, insane bulk buy I bought for $200. I should make at least 600 back gross on the low end, so this is probably going to be one of my top 3 buys I've had in the past year or so. But anyway, let's get into it. Let me show you guys a little bit more about the listing. So first of all, let me just show you proof right here that I paid the $200 invoice fee. Mr. Dominic, appreciate you, Dominic. His is actually the one I reached out on because it seemed too good to be true, and I thought it was too good to be true until he showed me it was true. So right here, here's the listing right here. We have, it just says PS4 with a variety of games. We got a PS4, 2 controllers, and a camera, as well as all of these games, right? And I didn't even see these 2 guitars. I didn't see that. I actually pay a friend to help me find items, Dalen. Painkiller, you guys, I've bought from him in the past, and I've mentioned him in multiple videos, but he pointed this out. There's guitars too, all these games, all of this, and then he sent me a video of it all. So this is him initializing it, and then he sent me another video right here of it boxed up while the PS4 is initializing all the games, the guitars. Awesome. Look at that, absolutely great. And I said thank you so much. He sent me another video of it all boxed up right there. All of it in a box. You guys might say, hey, it's not package safe. It's in there. It's got bubble wrap on the bottom. The deal is so great, I don't expect him to, you know, put 6 hours of his time into packaging it. So everything's gonna go. So what I'm gonna do now for you guys is, he gave me permission to do all this. I'm gonna plug his Twitch. Check out his Twitch. It's gonna be on the screen somewhere. I'm gonna put it down below. I'm gonna put it at the start of the video. Check out his Twitch first off. So I'm gonna finish all these catch-up listings. It'll help me clear my head, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning up my room, go to my storage unit around 6 in the morning, and then I'm gonna go to school. I guess I'll update you guys when the item gets here, or you know, something of that nature. Whenever I feel something's important, I'll update you guys. So guys, I just checked the tracking. The package should be here today, but I'm excited. My ass is gonna go sit downstairs, wait for the package because I have to sign it, but when it's here, I'm turning the camera back on. All right, guys, I think the postman's here. Look. I think the postman's here. Boom, guys, the package here. Okay. Hopefully, it was what he said. And I gave him a $20 tip because during the holidays, they work hard. Always tip your postman. I got a kitchen knife. Ready? He didn't scam me. He didn't scam me, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Controller, the games. You guys saw the games briefly. I guess might as well while we're here, I'll start telling you what it is. PS4 controller. I don't know if I told you guys the numbers. Estimated $600 exact gross. Minus the $200 buying cost after fees, I should make around $300 to $400, probably close to around $300. Black Ops 3, Halo Wars 2, MLB 14, Black Ops 3, God of War, Dragon Ball, Advanced Warfare, NBA 2K16, Game of Thrones. This is actually a really good game. It sells for like $20. Madden 15, NBA 2K20, Legend Edition, Red Dead 2, NBA Live, Infinite Warfare, Battlefield 1, Guitar Hero Live, Spider-Man, Infamous Second Son, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Mafia 3, Deus Ex, 2K17, 2K18, Ghost Recon, FIFA 15, the PS4 Pro, okay, with the dongles for the guitars, the hard drive cover for the PS4 Pro, guitar number 1, a little bit shaking in there, not a big deal. Guitar number 2, the other controller, which it even has a little like cover on it, looks kind of cool. And then the camera with the cords. Dominic, bro, once again, follow his Twitch, baby. Follow him on Twitch. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. $200 for all this, guys. He shipped this. $200. Shit, he paid the shipping. $85 of shipping. I'm shocked. Once again, follow his damn Twitch. Subscribe to him on Twitch if he's affiliated. I don't know what else to say. Thank you, Dominic. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start going through all this. You know, seeing what was damaged in transit, seeing what is worth my money exactly, seeing what I can wholesale to people. But Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Keep flipping, baby.
They all tryna be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil' homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist. Fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit. I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with a flow.